Hello, and welcome to the webpage of the library's LGBTQIA collection. The purpose of this webpage is to allow anonymity to patrons who may be uncomfortable asking staff about queer materials or are hesitant to browse through the collection in an open space. Displaying the collection on the library's website gives them a chance to sift through titles at their own discretion without the fear of outing themselves to the public. The integration of an LGBTQ collection into the library will aid these particular patrons in their search for representative materials and also inform allies of the queer experience and how they can be supportive of the community. As you can see from the various sub-collections displayed on this webpage, the collection holds both fiction and nonfiction titles. This is so that queer patrons can see themselves reflected in engaging and insightful materials, learn about the history of queer activism through first-hand retellings, and gain information about their place in the queer community and how to navigate this part of their lives. To focus on a specific example, let's look at the diverse LGBTQ fiction sub-collection. Diversity is a key component in this collection, not only when it comes to the orientations depicted in the materials, but also the ethnic backgrounds of the lead characters. Some of these titles include orientations that usually go underrepresented, such as asexual, bisexual, and transgender. The orientations depicted within a specific material can be seen under the subject category here, as well as in the tags. The tags also state whether the material showcases a non-white lead, shown here through the diverse tag and the tag showing what ethnic background they come from. It is important to consider and include all the different backgrounds that make up the queer community, since some may have an effect on how one recognizes, relates, and comes to terms with their identity. Including own voices content, which are materials where the author is a member of the community they are depicting, is especially crucial, as it gives the text a more authentic tone and weight. Not every title in this collection has an own voices author, but these texts still have achieved credibility through exceptional reviews from notable sources. If a title qualifies as own voices material, whether due to sexual or gender orientation or an ethnic background, it will be notified in the item record under coverage, as well as having a specific tag associated with it. A good portion of these titles also have an award-winning status, particularly the Stonewall Award, which recognizes significant and standout LGBTQ materials. A sub-collection has been made to showcase these poignant fiction and nonfiction materials. In order to not alienate less advanced readers, the collection includes titles of varying reading levels so that each patron can find an item that fits to their reading proficiency. There are some graphic novels shown in this collection that would appeal to reluctant readers that have difficulty finishing longer novels. Overall, this collection aims to give queer youth patrons the resources they need to discover, understand, and become comfortable with their sexual and/or gender orientation. Presenting this collection in an accessible way not only gives patrons a safe way to view the materials, but also brings awareness to quality titles that may guide and stick with readers for the rest of their lives. Thank you.